Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're doing very well. Now yesterday I released a video showing you how to export out an alpha for an object. But you might not necessarily want to do that. You want to do it on a material, let's say. So for example, two objects have the same material here, and if I quickly change into the custom ALV pass, you can see that I'm essentially rendering out the alpha now. Now this is pretty easy to do, and I'll quickly show you and I'll walk you through it as well. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to the shader editor, and I'm going to select this material. And if I come all the way down the bottom here, you can see here custom ALV, and I've set this to number 2. The next thing I've done is I've actually went into the render ALV passes, and if I quickly come up, you can see that I've got a group set up. So if I custom ALV, I've set the ID to number 2, I have a render ALV group, and then an output. And I can quickly have a look at what's going on here. So obviously what you need to do is you need to go into the view layers and you need to change your render node graph from classic render passes to the render ALV, and then match it up here. But I'll quickly demonstrate this as well. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly jump back into the beauty pass, and I'll just duplicate this object for talking sake. And we'll just quickly move it here. And what I'll do here is I'll just assign a new material to these eyes. So I'll quickly jump into material properties, add a new material. Let's go to new and let's go to assign. Perfect. So now we have a new material, 005. So what I can do here is I'll just change the albedo just so we can see the difference. So I have this material selected. I'm going to jump quickly back into the shader editor, and I'm going to put this on a custom ALV3. And then what I'll do is I'll go back into the Octane render ALVs. Let's quickly bring this up. I can hit the ALV number 2, plus sign, custom ALV, and then I can put this to number 3. And hopefully this will now give an alpha pass. So I'll quickly render this out for us. So you can see I have custom ALV1, this is our alpha, and I have custom ALV3, and this is our other alpha. So that's pretty much material grouping, to be honest. It's a little bit different from doing an object. If you're doing an object, what you would actually do is you go to the object properties, and you can come all the way down here and you can see here custom ALV. And that'll do the full object rather than the material. But it's very easy to use. Anyway, you know what to do. Take care.